Okay, y'all. This is the beginning. Stuck to my head. I know it looks horrible, but I'm gonna see if I can just get it harried up. I'm gonna try to wash and braid it and record this shit, and hopefully it works out. Wash done. Now conditioner. A nice power to the people. Conditioner come through. Time to rinse and then braid. Getting my fingers through there slowly but surely. I had to come out of my shirt. Arms are shaking, but I'm almost there. Decisions. I like this one, but I'm gonna go with this one.
Like, which one do you like?
I like this one.